Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to open the Battleground. This is the HEXBUG with two spiders, an orange and a blue. We'll set them up, show you how they operate. There's all your walls and castle stuff. Let's open it up and see what we got here. Looks like instructions, not much to it, but there's some of your walls. Looks like a castle. There's your end pieces to hold the walls up. Oh, your orange spider. He's all fastened down. Let's cut him out. Well, let's see. This looks like some tight ends. There they are. There's your orange spider. There's his transmitter. See, it's orange to go with him. There's some extra batteries too if we need them. Play with it enough, you probably will. See if we can get them out. They're not easy to get out of there. Probably not going to need them for a while though. We'll get them out, we'll just set them aside. There's the third one. Alright, there's your orange spider. Set him aside. Let's get the blue one out now. There he is. He's tied down too. Take out all the tie downs. Out comes the spider, transmitter, more batteries. There's your blue one. Transmitter. He's blue too, see? So that way you won't get them mixed up. Alright, here we are. We got them turned on. See the green light flashing? Ooh, the red light up there on the orange, and he's been hit. You gotta aim the thing at him. Let's see, turn him back on. He's green now. He's moving, he's aiming. Not a very good shot, are we? Oh, there you see him hit the red. Oh, there the blue one got hit. Blue one hit again. Blue one hit again. I think if you hit him enough times close together, he turns off. The orange hit, blue hit. Let's back out of there. The walls. Alright, let's start setting up some walls here. See the end pieces on them? That holds the wall up. They just slip right on. Setting up a battleground here. Kind of like castle and some walls. I think that's enough for now just to get an idea of what we're doing here. Move them down a little bit. put the blue one back here. He's got room to get out right there. Set the orange one. We'll put him up here in the front. See the green light flashing, they're ready to go. But you can't shoot through that wall, see? He's firing, but there ain't no hits. Kind of move that blue one. Turn him a little bit. Oops, turn a little bit more. There we go. Get him over where he can see now. Turn him around so he can aim his gun. Aim that weapon. The orange one's aiming. Oh, the orange one got hit. See the red one, blue one got hit. Orange hit. In fact, the orange one died. Let's turn him back on. Move him up a little closer. Aim the weapon. I'll be able to hit him right there. Turn around and aim at him. Blue one's aiming. Look at there, he's firing. Oh, the orange got hit. Orange got hit again. Looks like the blue one got hit. The blue one's got hit. Must have killed him. Let's turn him back on. There's his green light. He's firing, but he missed. Not very good shots, are they? Oh, the blue got hit. Blue got hit again. Here's what it looks like when they're hit. See the red on the back there? Ah, there's a hit. There's another hit. Looks like he died. See the green light went out? Alright, let's see if we can bounce one off that wall over there. Gotta get just the right angle here. Hadn't found that angle yet. Oh, the blue got a hit. That ricocheted off the wall. Another hit. Alright, well this is a lot of fun. If you got two people playing, it's a lot of fun. So get you a set of these and start playing. See you next time.